Hi, I'm Dr. Roger Smith, and I'm an upper cervical chiropractor in Huntington Beach, California. Today I wanted to talk to you about health, and just what is health? Because I often ask my patients, what does health mean to you? And the most common response I get, is feeling good. If I feel good, I'm healthy. Well, many people have felt good and they've been diagnosed with high blood pressure or high cholesterol. So just because a person feels good doesn't necessarily mean they're healthy. When you're healthy is really when everything in your body is working 100% of the time. That's the true definition of health. Now, if you look at a couple of different definitions of health, Dorland's is a medical dictionary. They say that health is a state of optimum physical, mental, and social well-being, and not just the absence of disease or infirmity. So basically it's saying that just because you aren't sick or you haven't been diagnosed with something doesn't necessarily mean you're healthy. It's only when everything's working like it's supposed to. So we look at Webster's, which is your standard dictionary. They say that health is a condition of wholeness in which all the organs are functioning 100% of the time. That's kind of like what I just said, where everything has to be working 100% of the time. Now Webster's says it's the organs that have to be working right. And so if we look at Gray's Anatomy, which is the Bible of the medical world, Gray's Anatomy says that the purpose of the brain and nervous system is to control and coordinate the tissues, organs, and systems of the body and adapt the organism to its environment. So what we're seeing here is that really the brain and the nervous system have to be working first and foremost 100%. If they aren't, they're never going to be able to control the organs 100%. And we know that the organs functioning 100% is health. And so that's what we do, is we actually look at the brain and nervous system and make sure that they're communicating like they're supposed to and that everything's working like it's supposed to. What can interfere with that communication is what we call a vertebral subluxation. That's just the clinical term we use to describe a misalignment of a spinal bone, which is a vertebra, and a subluxation is a misalignment that's less than a dislocation. So it's a subluxation. But what it does is it interferes with the function of the body and causes a lack of health. If you have any questions about this, go to my website. It's www.rogersmithdc.com, and I'll see you on the healthy side.